Hello, this is a quick tip video to show how to import cable terminations to control system I/O card using Smart Instrumentation Import Utility. For a more detailed demonstration of how to configure the import links, please watch another video following the link at the end of this video. In this example, we will assume that the marshalling panel and the I/O card with terminal strips and the cables have already been created. You could do this manually within the Smart Instrumentation application or via import as well. In this task, we will import the cable wire to strip terminal association between marshalling panel and digital I/O card. The source data is organized in an Excel template with explicit mapping between cable wires and strip terminals. On the left side, cable connects to the marshalling panel, while on the right side to the I/O card. In the Smart Instrumentation Import Utility, you create two import links, both pointing to the same Excel source table. The first link will map the cable wire to terminal relationships to marshalling panel, while the second link will map the wire to terminal relationships to I/O card. Please observe the difference between the mapping in the links, where a panel name is mapped on the first link, while the I/O card name is mapped on the second link. This is because the table definitions slightly differ between the two links. On the marshalling panel side, we use default table definition for the wire terminal table because terminal strips appear directly under panel in the data model. However, on the I/O card side, you will need to create a new definition for the wire terminal table because terminal strip appears directly under I/O card and not a panel. Therefore, you can duplicate the default table definition and change panel ID to reference to apparatus name in the apparatus table. Run the import links and upon successfully completion, observe the updated wiring model within Smart Instrumentation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.